energetic? Who is feeling tired? थक तो नहीं गए?
Not tired in the morning.
Sorry, tired and sleepy.
Not tired.
Anyway, if you are tired and you are sleepy, definitely today's presentation will wake you up. Is there anyone who can tell me what does DPL mean? When do you think these exercises of practical life should begin in the life of the child? What is the right age?
2.5 years.
Okay, that is for a Montessori directress. But you all have double role to play, because after doing the course or even the 15 days workshop, you will not only be a Montessori directress, but you will become, inshallah, maybe you already are, a Montessori mother. Okay, and that is what some question was raised yesterday. I believe personally that one of the most difficult thing a woman is faced with, the challenges, is to be a Montessori mother. And do you know why? Because once you are working as a Montessori directress, of course the school people, they know your ability. They know that you are trained to deal with the child. And that's where, you get respect, appreciation for the efforts you make with the child. But unfortunately, it is not like that in the home. Because all the family members, nobody else is trained. Your husband wouldn't be trained, your mother-in-law, your sister-in-law, your own sister, nobody is trained. And they have absolutely no respect, no appreciation of your quality. If you try to apply your Montessori system in the house as a mother, to put it in slang, they will tell you, okay, ये आप स्कूल ही तक रखो, अपनी नॉलेज स्कूल ही तक रखो. And उर्दू में जैसा कहते हैं, घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर वाली बात है. It is so true. And imagine how helpless you will feel when you are seeing your child sitting in the kitchen, opening the cupboard, taking out big pots and pans, and he's putting dal and he's mixing it up and he's pouring. And you as a Montessori mother, you will be so happy, amazed, and you will watch him and you won't disturb him, because you know he is coordinating his movement, there is eye and hand coordination, there is judgment, there is concentration, there is preciseness, he is doing addition, multiplication, division, and you feel great that your child is developing in the perfect environment. Do you think not that the bad guy is the mother-in-law in the house, but do you think if she comes and watches the child doing that, क्या reaction होगा? Right?
He's spoiling.
I mean, you get all kinds of reaction. The daughter-in-law gets blamed that she's so careless, that she's not bothered क्या कर रहा है, बर्तन खराब हो रही है, she's concerned about the cupboard and the burtan, the pots, pan, everything. The husband comes, he looks, and he is not happy. I mean, he looks at the wife in such a way that I buy such expensive toys for my child, and this is what you're giving to him? क्या मेरा बेटा या बेटी बड़ी होकर कोई कुक बनेगी? So it is not appreciated, lack of ignorance, lack of knowledge. But you have to face that challenges, because you know as a Montessori mother that how important exercises of practical life plays in the life of the child, and by the time he is 2.5 years old, it's already too late. If all the damages are done in the home environment from 0 to 2.5, by the children enter Montessori school, that's why most of them have many deviations. What are deviation? We shall discuss that later. So, although they seem too typical, कौन सी बड़ी बात है, जग पकड़ लेना या ट्रे, but we will know, and especially for those of you who did not know, after seeing all the presentation yesterday and many more to come today, you will really be able to appreciate the importance of EPL in the child's life. It is the base, the foundation, without which he will never become independent. Later on, don't we have lazy adults? who will sit and right there's a glass of water, and they will, maybe you have a brother who will say, "Pani dena." What is a child who did things by himself when he was small? He will never do that. So that's changing civilization, that's changing humanity, and you're the one who has to believe it. Okay? 3 rules which you will be hearing later on also, but every now and then we'll be repeating many things. 3 rules for you to remember as Montessorian to have your faith. Have faith first of all in the system. If you go to a doctor, if you don't have faith in that doctor, you will never get better. So you have to believe that whatever Maria Montessori discovers is true, will remain true. That is one faith. What is the second faith? Have faith in yourself. That yes, I do understand and I am better than an untrained person. You are a professional, an ordinary person. And let us welcome back the EPL team, that is Miss Nadia and Miss Aisha.
Elementary group. We have 3 subdivisions for the elementary group. First is
Basic elementary,
elementary and higher elementary. How many exercises in basic elementary? 5 exercises. And in elementary group? 10. And then the higher elementary group? 4 exercises. Okay. The basic exercises are performed where we done the basic elementary exercises. They are so simple actions, that is holding a tray, holding a spoon, holding a jug, carrying a glass of water, and taking off an apron. And after that we done the elementary exercises, that is opening and closing of bottle tops, and folding and unfolding of mat, and
rolling and rolling of mat.
No, we don't
Threading beads.
Threading beads, and pouring beads from one jug to another jug, pouring water from one jug to another jug, tagging, and cutting along the line, and pages of a book. Yes. Okay, now what is the indirect aim of pegging?
Writing.
Preparation for writing. It is a very first exercise which we prepare for the writing instrument. Now, what is the how many exercises in higher elementary group? 4. Which one is the first one? Which we done? Spooning beads into number of container. What is the aim of this exercise? Direct aim. How to transfer the dry substance into number of container equally. And what is the indirect aim of this exercise?
Mathematics.
Preparation for mathematics. How we prepare for mathematics by this exercise?
Equal distribution of
dry substance. Okay, then the second exercise of higher elementary is pouring water into number of containers. What is the direct aim of this exercise? Direct aim. Transferring the liquid into number of containers. It is also indirectly prepared for the mathematics. Okay. The third exercise is use of dropper. What is the direct aim of this exercise? The use of dropper. And this is another way of transferring the liquid. And then the use of funnel. This is also another way for the transferring the liquid. And what is the indirect aim of use of dropper? Patience, independence, and concentration, eye and hand coordination, the muscular movement. Definitely when we hold something, we have to move our muscles. Okay. Now the second group is personal care. Personal care is subdivided into 2 portions. One is the dressing frames and one is the other exercises, which the personal care only deals with our personal grooming. There are dressing frames. There are 7 dressing frames in the workshop booklet. They are used to teach all the fastenings. For example, the zip, the buckle frame, the large wooden frame, the small wooden frame, the safety pin frame, the zip. The first is the zip frame. The size of the frame is 12 into 12 inches. It is looks like a square. The rule which is applied on the dressing frame is simple to complex. We always follow the rule in the Montessori method, that is simple to complex. Just like हमने कल elementary group start किया. We hold a tray, which is very simple actions, and after that we hold a spoon, carrying a glass of water, holding a jug, and then opening and closing of water tops. Simple to complex का rule हम हमेशा Montessori method में follow करते हैं. Okay, and the principle which is applied on the dressing frame is principle of isolation. What is the meaning of isolation?
One quality at a time.
One quality at a time. When we applied on the principle of isolation on the dressing frames, there should be in one color, the one frame in one color, and there should no print at all. Right? What is the size of the dressing frame?
12 by 12.
And what is the principle is applied on the dressing frame?
Principle of isolation.
And what is the rule is applied on the dressing
Simple
frame?
to complex.
Simple to complex. Now first frame is zip frame, and the direct aim of zip frame is to learn the mechanism of zip. The direct aim is to learn the mechanism of zip, and the indirect aims are coordination of muscular movement, the concentration, the independence. Fourth is personal grooming, eye and hand coordination, and exactness. Definitely, like हम लोग जो सारी exercises को proceed करते आ रहे हैं, तो definitely child मज़ीद groom होता जा रहा है. First उसको जो exercise हमने शुरू में कराई elementary group में, definitely वो उसकी exactness उसको आगे now he hold a frame like a tray, and after that उसी तरीके से हम उसको personal hygiene भी सिखाते जाएंगे, fastening सारी सिखाएंगे इसमें. Okay, now first I will check the definitely what we have to do before the presentation.
Check the place of presentation.
Check the place of presentation, and then what we have to do?
Check the material.
Check the material. What is the material for this exercise?
Zip frame.
The zip frame. This is the zip frame. We have to check जब हम like कुछ open और close करके देखेंगे. Taking consent of the child. Yes, who will become the child for this exercise? Okay. Okay. Shanila, are you doing something special? No. Okay. Auntie wants to show you something special. Would you like to come with me? Come with me, please. Friends, Auntie will show you this frame, how to open and how to close. You have to hold it like this. Now come along with me. Okay, Shanila, watch me carefully how Auntie will do. Now, Auntie will close it. Now, watch me carefully again. Frame is closed. Now, would you like to perform? No, you don't want. Okay, now we have to put the material back to its place. Never leave the things to the place of the presentation. Thank you, Shanila. Have a seat. Hina, these are the napkins. Auntie will show you how to fold them. This is the napkin. Now auntie will tell you how to fold it. Watch me carefully. Would you like to repeat the activity?
Yes.
Okay, please repeat it. We have to put it back to its place. Never leave the things on the place of presentation.
Thomas. To be able to stand here and stand up for 2 days continuous and solo single-handedly continue with the presentation and for days and days of preparation, making sure the material is in perfect condition. You need a lot of stamina, a lot of energy. Why I made you give a special clapping? That you may have noticed or you may not have noticed this Ma'am Nadia's sometimes face getting a little tired, a little this, and she has been experiencing severe pain in her stomach, but the show goes on and nothing would make her stop, nothing will make her discontinue. That we can with guarantee say that in future is going to make her a very successful directress, instructress and a human being. Well, end of today, tomorrow, if your activity, if you're not prepared with your list, okay, I'll be a little nice. You can always submit your list tomorrow to me in the first thing in the morning. Allah Hafiz, see you all tomorrow.